Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, and today we are going to make a seer fish fry. In this video we are going to show you how to make fish fry with homemade masalas. If you want to know the ingredients we have used to make this masala to fry the fish, please check the description below so that you can see what is the ingredients we have used. We have masalas which is homemade, and this is smeared across the fish and it is fried. It's come out pretty well and it's a lovely recipe too. So in this video we're going to show you how to make this fish fry recipe. To make a seer fish fry, we have taken 1 kilo of seer fish which we have cut and cleaned. Also, the pieces have been cut specifically for it to be fried only. The next process is the marination stage. So for 1 kilo of seer fish, we have taken 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, the next ingredient to add is half teaspoon of turmeric, one teaspoon of ordinary chili powder, next is 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder that gives the bright red color. Next ingredient is half teaspoon of pepper powder. The next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The next step is to mix all the ingredients together in order to make it into a fine paste. Also, do note that the paste shouldn't be too watery and it should be just fine so that it can be rubbed across all the seer fish pieces. The final ingredient to be added is 1 teaspoon of salt, which can be added to the rest of the masala paste. We mix all the ingredients once again. Once the masala paste is ready, we take each slice of seer fish and rub the paste across the seer fish pieces. We should ensure that the masala covers all the parts of the seer fish pieces. Now we can see that the masalas are evenly spread and coated across the fish piece. Next we need to replicate the same process across all the fish pieces. Now we see all the fish pieces are fully covered with the masala. Next we need to keep it marinated for 30 minutes before moving to the next step. This is a fish after 30 minutes of marination. We need to proceed with the next step, that is frying the fish. For frying the fish, we have taken a clean kadai, placed it on a stove, lit the stove, and we wait for it to get heated. To fry a fish, we can use any oil, but we have used coconut oil. This gives the extra flavor to a fish fry. Now the oil is hot enough, we can then slowly add the fish one by one into the hot oil. Now as we fry a fish, we should ensure that the stove is on low flame. Especially frying fish in coconut oil gives a very distinct flavor as well as a very good smell. Now one side of the fish is cooked and we need to flip it over for the other side to be cooked too. Simultaneously we flip the other side of the second fish for that part to be cooked too. Now both the fish pieces are cooked. We can also deep fry this fish in the same coconut oil, but we have preferred to shallow fry this because it gives a very good flavor to the fish fry. As the fish is now cooked, we can slowly take it out of the pan, and this is a fish fry which is ready to be served. Now we can scoop out a second fish piece. Now a fish fry is ready to be served, and this can be garnished with little onion rings, and this is a great combination with lunch or as a starter. Do try out this recipe at home and let us know in the comment section how it has come out. Well, we hope you liked watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. Well, if you find making this fish fry or seer fish fry recipe pretty easy, please share it with your friends so they too can try this recipe at home. Also, please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Well, until the next video, which is next week, stay safe, see you soon, and bye bye.